Good day everyone. Our title is The Tower of Hanoi. The Tower of Hanoi is a classic mathematical puzzle and problem-solving challenge. It consists of 3 pegs and a set of discs of different sizes, stacked from largest to smallest on one peg.
Tower of Hanoi? Hanoi what? Let's go!
It is. The game has 3 roads and multiply these of different size. All these start on one road in size order, smallest on top. The goal is to move all these to another road. Ang game na ito ay may 3 roads at maraming dis na kakaiba ang size. Sa simula, lahat ng dis ay nakapatong sa isang road. Nakaayon ito base sa laki kung saan ang pinaka maliit ay nasa pinakataas at ang pinakamalaki ay nasa baba. Ang main goal ay ilipat lahat ng dis papunta sa isa pang road.
Rules. Move only one disc at a time. Dito, maaari mo ilipat ang pinakatuktok na disc mula sa isang patpat. Second, only top disc can be moved. Bawat galaw ay nangangahulugan sa pag-angat ng disc at paglipat nito sa alinmang 3 patpat. Number 3. Never place a larger disc on a smaller disc. Dito naman, hindi maaaring ilagay ang mas malaking disc sa ibabaw ng mas maliit na disc.
And talk about stack idea. Tower of Hanoi believes like a stack because only the top item is accessible. Sinasabi dito na ang nasa itaas na disc lang ang pwedeng i-move or ilipat. This is connected to LIFO or also known as last in first out. Kung saan ang huling disc po na nilagay, yun lang pwedeng alisin. Why it is often used when teaching data structures. And isa din po ito sa pinaka-basics para mas madaling maunawaan kung paano gumagana stacks.
How it's work. Number 1. Move the top n-1 disc to helper road. Dapat ilipat mo na lahat ng disc maliban sa pinakamalaking disc papunta sa helper road. Number 2. Move the largest disc to target road. Kapag wala nang nakapatong sa pinakamalaking disc, ilipat ito papunta sa target road. Number 3. Move the n-1 disc from the helper road to target road. Pagkatapos mailipat ang pinakamalaking disc, ilipat naman ang mga disc na nasa helper road papunta sa target road hanggang mabuo muli ang tamang pagkakasunod-sunod.
The Tower of Hanoi follows the formula second to the power of n minus 1 to determine the minimum number of moves needed. Here n represents the number of discs. For instance, with 3 discs, the puzzle can be solved in 7 moves. This formula demonstrates exponential growth, which means that adding more discs significantly increases the difficulty and number of moves required. So, why does this matter? This concept helps us learn recursion in programming, which is fundamental techniques for solving complex problems. It also demonstrates how stack operation work behind the scenes when recursive functions are executed. Even though it looks like simple puzzle, it teaches important logical thinking and problem solving skills that are widely used in computer science.
So our conclusion, Tower of Hanoi is a classic example of LIFO, stack behavior. It is useful for learning both game logic and algorithm design. Would like me to turn this into a ready to copy PowerPoint script with speaker notes or into a slide-by-slide HTML presentation. So, Tower of Hanoi ay isang classic puzzle na nagpapakita ng LIFO, last in, first out, o stack behavior. Nakakatulong ito sa pag-aaral ng recursion, problem solving, and algorithm design.